Leaf 8252 Jumbo, here we go. No, this should be fine. Fritz, you're on the wrong channel, buddy. Prestige happens on the AFL channel. Cherry Footy is the account. I'm sure Bailey can send you to the video. Alrighty. Alan Flanagan, red, white and blue, sorry. By the way, I'm pretty sure I could literally rip this apart with my bare hands. If Bailey gets it, I'll do it. Alan Flanagan. Alright, here we go. Thank you, Ringer. Absolute legend. Alright, here is Maggie is feral. Jada Williams, who I absolutely love. I'm down bad for Jada Williams. Sorry, but I'm also down bad for Jada. You can be down bad for me. Jordan, that's a purple. That's purple. Sorry, the Cork Queens, number 15. Jordan Hawkins, blue. Number 250. Jamari Phillips. Well, tomorrow won't be too long of a show, hopefully. Kaderi Richmond. Again, if I don't mention the numbers, they're probably not know it. A Green, Dior Johnson. Geez, she's used the old texter. The Kristen Dior. Man, they don't make him like this anymore. 7-7. Killen Boswell, number 2. Sorry. Killen Boswell, number 215. Bow in the presence of greatness. It's right now, God. Bryce McGowan's first round bound purple. Number 30. Manny Obaseki. And finally, a Blake Wesley, cracked ice, first round bound. I believe there are numbered, yes. I prefer Wesley Blake. And that is Leaf 8252. We'll sleeve them up and we'll randomise it. Alright. Here we go. 5 times. Let's do it. Good luck to all. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Top is Jay Hawkins. Bottom is Bryce McGee. The Flanagan 101 is in spot 9. That's 5 times. Get rid of the random. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Oh, Bailey actually wasn't in this one. Okay. Alrighty. Brad Cunningham picks up the 101, the Wesley, and the Bryce McGee. The 2 first rounders. Then Joe Bellion picking up Jay Phillips. Sam Bradford. Picking up in spot 6, Richmond. Spot 5, John DeWin, picking up Obaseki. Tony Andrus, picking up Boswell. The Jada in 3 to Chris Cadd. Paul Suvalis picking up Dior. Then finally Jordan Hawkins to Leon Isaac. And that is that for Leaf 825.